Hey there, tech enthusiasts, ready to be blown away? We've got something truly special in our hands today, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This isn't just a smartphone, it's a masterpiece of engineering and design. Design and display, just look at this thing. The S24 Ultra is a work of art, crafted with a premium titanium finish that feels incredible in your hand. And that flat display? It's a nod to the legendary Galaxy Note series, offering a more immersive and productive experience. Camera powerhouse. But let's get to the real meat of this device, the camera. The S24 Ultra boasts the most megapixels on any smartphone, combined with AI-powered image processing that's simply mind-blowing. It's like having a professional photographer in your pocket. AI innovations. The S24 Ultra isn't just about hardware. It's packed with AI features that make your life easier and more efficient. Take Circle to search. For example, just circle an object on your screen, and the phone will instantly find relevant information. Gaming beast. Gamers, rejoice! The S24 Ultra is a gaming powerhouse, thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor. With faster processing speeds and ray tracing for hyper-realistic graphics, you'll experience gaming like never before. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is more than just a smartphone. It's a statement piece, with its stunning design, powerful camera, and innovative AI features. It's a must-have for anyone who demands the best. So, what are you waiting for? Get your hands on one today. Thanks for watching video and be sure to like, subscribe my YouTube channel Techtonic for more techie goodness.